All right, guys, question number 13. I see you making progress. All right, let's get right into it. So this one's going to require a little bit of thinking. All right, so let me just, well, you know what? Okay, so let me read it first and then let's talk about it, okay? So business owner obtained a $6,000 loan at a simple annual interest rate of R% in order to purchase a computer. After one year, the owner made a single payment of $6,840 to repay the loan, including the interest. What's the value of R, okay? Now, some of you guys might be freaking out like, what the heck is interest? You know, I don't know the formula for this. You know, there's money involved. I don't know what's going on. But let's just think about this logically, okay? So this guy gets a loan, right? And the loan provider has to make money, right? So they're saying, we'll loan you this money, but you're gonna have to pay us a little bit extra to pay it back, right? Once you have that money, okay? So basically what this is saying is that we start with $6,000 and then we have to add something to it, right? And then at the end of that year, he's going to have to pay $6,840, okay? All right, so here's the thing. They give us this value R here. Now, the question is, how does that R come into this equation, right? So what we need to think about is, if we have an interest rate, that means that it's related to 6,000 somehow, right? So basically, what this interest rate is saying is that you're gonna have to pay this initial value, and then we're going to have to add the initial value multiplied by some percentage, okay? So that's going to be our R value, all right? So it's going to be 6,000 plus 6,000 R, and that has to equal 6,840, okay? So hopefully that made some sense, but remember, all we're saying is that he's going to have to pay something extra. It's related to this value R. We know that R is a percentage, right? And if it's a percentage, it means that we have to multiply this value by the initial value, right? It's some percentage of the initial value, right? Okay. All right, guys, so let's do a quick math trick here. So we're going to factor out the 6,000. We're going to have 1 plus R in the middle here. We're going to have that's equal to 6,840. All right, so now I'm going to divide off the 6,000. All right, and then what I'm going to have over here is 1 plus R equals 6,840 divided by 6,000, okay? So I'm actually just gonna use the calculator here. So I brought the calculator this time. So 6,840 divided by 6,000. So we're gonna have 1 plus R equals 1.14, okay? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna subtract off this subtract off this 1, and then I'm gonna have R equals 0.14, okay? So let's convert this to a percentage, right? Because they want it in a percentage. And the way that we do that is we're just going to multiply it by 100. So we're going to take this, multiply it by 100, and I'm going to get 14.0. All right, guys? So that is our answer. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video, all right?